Too much history have you make it so hard to leave ya. What you do? Big old man thing, me not.
The bitch they hate and you can't miss what you never had. Hey, hey, off the juice, codeine got me tripping.
Hey guys. Hey guys, it's me, Nekeisha, and whatever. And I'm back. Don't record me. And I'm back again with another video. I'll just go into
go
some,
back
whatever.
and get your hair redid?
And it's been a while. Okay, whatever. These hoes is talking in the background. Like, I'm not trying to record. But anyway, as you can tell by the title, today I'm gonna be transforming into a baddie or whatever. I'm supposed to be doing hair and makeup. I don't know about the makeup, but I'm gonna do my hair for sure. If I don't do the makeup, I'm just stick on some lashes, take some pictures, get cute, whatever. So anyway, first things first, I'm gonna start by doing my hair. So I'm gonna show y'all my hair, and I'm gonna show y'all the whole process. Okay, I'm gonna be dyeing the hair. Me and my best friend, she's over there, she acting like she wanna be on camera, but this is the hair. I had the hair in my head already. I'll insert pictures of me wearing it. This is the hair, and we're just gonna be re-dyeing it. We're gonna be dyeing it to this color. This color.
She says it's a surprise. So they can see you with the hair.
Shut up. So we're gonna be dyeing my hair. We're gonna be adding this color to the red and see what we get out. We don't know what color it's gonna be, but we're gonna try our best to get something different. I don't know. But yeah. So right now we're boiling the water. Oh, that's me back there. Okay. We boiling the water. I'm gonna be showing y'all the whole process or whatever. Let me get my tripod. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all when we dip in the wig and stuff. If you want like a tutorial on it, I'll make a separate video. But I really don't know what I'm doing. But
I'm gonna do a TikTok.
Yeah, do that. She gonna make a TikTok. Follow me on TikTok, Kuna932, and follow her on TikTok. What's your TikTok? She is ugly. What's your TikTok?
No.
I'm gonna put the names on the screen. Go follow us on TikTok.
No.
And my sister's on FaceTime. Her name is Nekeisha. Follow her on Instagram. Nene Meh. That's your name, right? Nene Meh.
That's what you get.
Nene MH. Follow her on TikTok. All of that. Anyway, let's get straight into the wig transformation. How you see? Make sure y'all spray y'all lace with some got to be freeze spray. So she's spraying the lace. Okay, guys, so we just finished dyeing it. I'm not gonna show y'all the color yet. It's gonna be a surprise at the end. Why is she so stiff? But yeah, because of the brush.
Yeah, I'm listening.
No, she's not. But yeah, so the color looks real nice.
I'm gonna be surprised.
My best friend, she's the hairstylist, so she gonna be doing the blow drying or whatever. I'm gonna be relaxing. I'm gonna go eat a lollipop, and she gonna be doing all the work. So that's her doing all the work right there. She doing all the work. I ain't doing nothing. Get you a friend that could do hair, so you don't gotta do nothing. Oh, these are mad cute. But yeah, so she gonna be doing all that, and then I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna record some of the install process. I don't know yet. I don't know how I want to do it. I want to record some of the install, or if I just want to do the reveal at the end. But I think I'm gonna record some of the install just for the sake of the video, just to make it a little longer, so it's not like 5 minutes. So that's what I'm gonna do. And yeah, so I'm gonna come back to y'all when I start installing. I need it for the video. Hey guys. Alex, come in.
I can't wait for that.
Sit on.
Let's give it some
Alright,
shine.
extra.
She's like not happy for
Alright.
herself to like you're just
Okay, alright.
I'm trying to give it some shine.
It's naughty like you trying to. Hey guys, so this is the end of it. I didn't record any hair, right? I didn't record anything of me doing my hair, basically. I tried to, but it wasn't working out the way that she was moving in the camera and the way it was set up. We needed to use the light, so we didn't do that. I tried to record the makeup. It didn't work. Did I record makeup? No, I didn't, right? No, I didn't. Nothing else, but here I am. This is it. I was going to change. Yeah, I'm about to go.
You finished?
You just finished.
Yeah, what are you selling? A video, man?
No, it's for her portfolio. So yeah, guys, this is it. I'm gonna add in some clips of me being cute. I made a TikTok, all that. Follow me on TikTok, Kuna932. I'm gonna link that down below or whatever. Yeah, I'm putting some clips of me being cute, but this is it. Book my girl Nira, Lady by Nira. Like, I know last time she did my hair, and mad people was saying, "Oh my God, let me book her. Let me book her." She was like, "I'm not doing no more hair right now." But this time,
You gotta put me on the spot, first of all.
bro, you know how many people was texting me like, "Oh my God, I want that exact thing." Then I'm like, here she go. This is her Instagram. And then she was like, "I'm not doing no hair." And she shut it down. So I'm so sorry to all of y'all who did that. She's my hairstylist, okay? That's why she's acting like that, because she does my hair. She doesn't do nobody else's hair. So yeah, that's why. But yeah, this is the hair. The curls on this side kind of dropped, but that's all right. You know, I'm about to take this off, do my makeup, do my homework, take a nap, eat some cold nuggets, do some homework, and yeah. So yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on TikTok. All of Munera's socials will be in the description down below, so don't forget to go follow her and all that. And go book your hair appointment, because what lace? What lace? Like, what is a lace? Can you use like laced weed? Like, is that what you're talking about? Because what lace is this? I don't know. Anyway, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye. Wait, come say bye. Okay. Bye.